Hello, this demonstration will show you how you can cartoonize an imported image and the kind of results that you can expect from that. I already have a few in here, but remember that all you need to do is click on New Layer, Image, find the image you want on your computer, select it and click Open. Remember, if something is too large or too small, you can scale by clicking on Transform Layer in the Tools and then resizing it to what you want. You don't have to resize proportionately, right? You can click on the handles here, for example, and pull or push that way or this way. Let me zoom back in a moment here. All you need to do then is double click on the image in the layers, and at the layer settings dialog box, click on the tab for image, and right here is the tune effect. So you'll want to move this a little bit out of your way so that you can see what's going on. You can mess around with all these numbers until you get the effect you want. But, depending on the image, you just may not get the effect you want. This just doesn't always work, depending on the image. It might look too much of one thing or not enough of another, okay? So that's just up to you to experiment and see whether or not the image will work for you or if cartoonizing it will work for you. So over here there's a completely different type. This is the city street. I'll double click it in the layers and click on the image tab, click on tune effect, and maybe that one came out a little bit better. So it depends on the colors in the original and the effect that you are trying to achieve. You can do the same with images that have transparent backgrounds. Okay, I'll bring in this car that has a transparent background. Obviously, it's a little bit too big for that environment, but double clicking on the layer, clicking on image, tune effect, and then it seems to fit better with the cartoonized background. And if you weren't aware of this, all you need to do is go to Google, for example, and when you do a search for something, type in the additional words with transparent background, and then some, maybe not all, but some of the choices that will show up will have the transparent background, and they'll work in just the way that you saw in this demonstration. So go ahead and make use of that technique anytime you need it.